Duster. Today's topic is number system. Let's start. Number system are of two types. One is real number and another one is imaginary number. Real number represented as capital R and imaginary number is represented as small I. Imaginary number I square is equal to minus 1. It is the root over of negative numbers. Again, real number divided into two parts. One is rational number and another one is irrational number. Rational number represented as Q. Rational number broadly divided into three parts. One is integer and another one is decimal and another one is fraction. Integer is represented as Z. Integer, all positive numbers, negative numbers and 0. All are under integers. Again decimal. Decimal divided into two parts, pure decimal and another one is mixed decimal. Again mixed decimal divided into two types. One is recurring and another one is non-recurring. Then recurring decimal are also two types. One is pure and another one is mixed recurring decimal. Decimal which contains bar and 0. After decimal which contains bar represented as 9 and which not contains bar represented as 0. Here are some examples. .12 bar. 1, 2 both are contains bar. Then it will be 12 by 99. 9 for what? 9 for containing bar. It will be 4 by 13. It will be 4 by 33. Another one is 0.123 bar. It will be 1, 2, 3 divided by 999. Next one 0.213 bar equal to 213 minus 21 divided by 900. 213 minus 21 divided by 900. How it will happen? Which doesn't contain bar. Which doesn't contain bar, that number will subtract from main number. That is 213 minus 21 divided by 900. How 900? 9 for bar. Which contain bar, that is 9 and another 213 minus 21. Divided by 900. How 900? 9 for bar which contain bar, that is 9 and another non-taking bar. Another one is 6 pole 1, 2, 3 bar equal to 6 pole means 6 plus 0.123 bar equal to 6 plus 123 minus 12 divided by 900. Other way 6123 minus 612 divided by 900 equal to 5511 by 900. Both are same. Then fraction. Fraction are of three types. One is proper, second one is improper, third one is mixed. Now comes to the rational number Q. It is expressed as P by Q, where P and Q are integers and Q is not equal to 0. Examples: already discussed that integers carry positive numbers, negative numbers and 0. Here are some positive and negative numbers. Positive 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 onwards. And negative -1, -2, -3, -4, -5 onwards. Now we should know about natural number and whole number. Natural number represented as n. 1, 2, 3, 4. All counting numbers are known as natural numbers. When 0 is added to natural numbers, it will become whole numbers, known as 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. 0 is not positive nor negative integer. It is all about integers. Now we should discuss about decimals. First, terminating decimals. In this example, only 9 contains bar. It means only 9 should be repeated. It is known as mixed recurring. Another one is 5.79 bar. In this case, 7 and 9 both are repeated. Why? Because both 7 and 9 contains bar. It is known as pure recurring. Another one is 9.67823 etc. In this case, no particular number is repeated. It is all about non-terminating decimals. Then terminating decimals. Terminating decimals is that which is completely divided after decimals. Here are some examples. 5 is divided by 2, which gives the answer 2.5. It is non-repeating. And another one is 17 divided by 2. It gives the result 8.5. After decimal, it contains only one number. There is no repeating. It is known as terminating decimal. Proper, where numerator is less than denominator. Examples: 2 by 3, 4 by 7, 5 by 9, 13 by 37. And improper, which is improper? Where numerator is greater than denominator. 8 by 7, 10 by 19, 17 by 6. Then mixed. Improper fraction can be converted into mixed. Improper fraction can be converted into mixed fraction. Examples: 8 by 7 equal to 1 pole 1 by 7. 17 by 6 equal to 2 pole 5 by 6. But proper fraction is not converted into mixed fraction. Thanks for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe.